to prevent the collapsing when there is no air in the human. Mechanism of breathing. When we breathe air in the muscles, the diaphragm contracts and move downward. So chest cavity expands and air enters the lungs. When we breathe out, the muscles of the diaphragm relaxes and move upward, and the chest cavity contracts and air goes out. So it is the mechanism of breathing, inhalation and exhalation. Transportation. The main transport system in human beings is the circulatory system. It contains blood, arteries, veins and capillaries. Blood is the transport food, oxygen and waste products. It contains the cell like RBC, WBC, platelets, etc. Blood contains the red color pigment called hemoglobin. It transports the oxygen. We also have arteries, veins and capillaries. These are the blood vessels. Arteries carry pure blood from heart to all parts. They are thick wall and do not have walls. Veins carry impure blood from all parts of the body to the heart. Capillaries join arteries and veins together. It is the structure of heart. It is a muscular organ, pump the blood in all parts of the body. We have 4-chamber heart. The first chamber, atria, and the lower chambers are ventricles. Right ventricles, left ventricles, right arteries, right atria, left atria. So these are the 4 chambers of the heart. The right and left chamber are separated by the septum. It prevents the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Working of the heart. Circulation. When the left atrium relaxes, oxygenated blood from the lungs flow through in the pulmonary vein. When it is contract, the left ventricle expands and the blood flow into the left ventricle contracts and oxygenated blood is pumped out through the aorta. Aorta is the biggest artery in the blood. Aorta carry all oxygenated blood in the all parts of the body. When the right atrium contracts, the right ventricle expands and the blood flow into it. Then the right ventricle contracts and the blood is pumped into the lungs through the pulmonary artery. In the lungs, carbon dioxide is removed and oxygen is absorbed. We already learned this in respiration process. Again, oxygen enters the left atrium and oxygen blood enter the left atrium and the process repeats. Since the blood flow through the heart twice in one cycle, so it is called double circulation. So human have double circulation system. Another circulatory system in our body is lymph. It is a colorless fluid present in the intracellular space. It is from the plasma which escape from the capillaries. Lymph drains into the lymphatic capillaries which form the lymph vessels and join into the large vessels. It carries the hormones, etc., lymphocytes, etc.